Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Anushka Shetty's top 5 sizzling saree scenes. Anushka Shetty is an Indian actress who works in South Indian cinema, has done more than 50 films in her film career spanning over 2 decades. Here are the list of top 5 sizzling saree scenes she has done in films. At number 5, Astram. These sizzling saree scenes were picturized for the film Astram. It was directed by Suresh Krishna and produced by Raju Hirwani. Anushka played a very glamorous role in the film. Her sizzling saree scenes were picturized beautifully by the cinematographer B. Balamurugan. Anushka's glamorous saree look was appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 4, Baladur. These sizzling pink saree scenes was picturized for the film Baladur. It was directed by K.R. Udayashankar. Anushka's saree scenes was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer B. Balamurugan. Anushka's pink saree scenes won huge accolades from the audience. At number 3, Mahanandi. These sizzling saree scenes were picturized for the film Mahanandi. It was directed by V. Samudra. Anushka's sizzling saree scenes were beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Vasu. Although Anushka played a very de-glamorous role in the film, her saree scenes won accolades from the audience. At number 2, Swagatam. These sizzling saree scenes were picturized for the film Swagatam. It was directed by Dasharath. Anushka's sizzling saree scenes were beautifully picturized by the cinematographer P. Ramesh Babu. At number 1, Vakka Magadu. These sizzling saree scenes of Anushka were picturized for the film Vakka Magadu. It was directed by Y.V.S. Chowdhury. Anushka's sizzling saree scenes were picturized beautifully by the cinematographer Madhu A. Naidu and C. Ramprasad. Anushka played a very glamorous role in the film. This video is dedicated to Anushka, the glamorous queen of South Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again from Indian Actress Paradise.